Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Howdy. In this video tutorial, I will show to students how to perform a denial of service attack using a program called Torshammer. Okay. Just to make a disclaimer at the beginning of the recording, uh, this hands-on lab is for educational purpose only, and it is illegal to use the program to attack others. Okay, so this is just for testing environment. This is just used for testing. All right, let's just start. I have two VM machine here, which is metasploitable, which is my victim machine, and my Kali is my target machine. Okay, let's find out the IP address here of my metasploitable if config. Okay, my victim machine is 192.156.105, and for my Kali Linux is I believe is 103 sudo if config. The new Kali you need to use sudo in the front. So my Kali, which is my attacker machine, is 56.103. Okay, so make sure that you are able to ping each other's and vice versa before we start this exercise. All right. Okay, so the first thing that student need to do is to download the program. You can use this command sudo git clone https github.com slash dot finder slash torshammer dot git. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, sudo git clone https github.com slash dot finder slash torshammer dot git. Okay, I already download this program, so I just want to show it to you. And after that, make sure you double check the program, see if it's installed successfully. So how do you do that? LSL. Okay, so I have the program here. Is called where is it? Is Torshammers, right? Let me see here. I have the program here, Torshammers, and after that, I'm gonna change this to the directory is cd Torshammer. All right, now I'm in this directory, which is Torshammer. I'm gonna do ls. Now you see that I have the program. Torshammer use another Torshammer is written using Python. So if you don't have Python installed in your Kali Linux, you can run this command sudo apt-get up-get update to update all the repositories, and then sudo apt-get install python 2. Okay, so we need to have this installed in your VM in the Kali, otherwise student wouldn't be able to run the Torshammers. All right, so after student download this program and check that they are that the program is successfully installed in the Kali, the next thing that you need to do is to run the command, right? So you can run the command, this one. Let me see uh, here. This is how you run the command: python 2 torshammer.py, which is python dash target. What is minus t? Minus t is target. Okay, that is the option, right? The option of that command. Minus t and then the target IP address, which is in my case is 192.168.56.105. So this is my metasploitable machine. Uh, you don't have to use the same IP address uh, like mine. However, they have to be in the same subnet. All right. So Python 2 torshammers.py dash t, which is target, the IP address or the URL address, and then minus r. Minor r is the thread, right? Minus r to 56. R mean is how many threads that you want to attack. You can use like 256 or 100 thread one at a time, okay? In case student want to do some testing on the URL or on the website, you can also put this one, dash p, which is port 80, to specify that that is an HTTP protocol, okay? So here, I'm gonna run this program, but before I run this, I wanna uh, show you that on the victim machines, on my Metasploitable machine, I'm gonna run a program called top to check the processes here. You see that? At this moment, I haven't launched the attack yet. So notice that the CPU utilization on the upper left corner is 0, is kind of low, right? Notice that right now my CPU is have a low utilization. After I launch this program, after I launch the Torshammers, the CPU will have an increase in utilization. This is how we know that the DOS attack is successful. All right. So let me show you again on my Metasploitable. Let me see. I'm gonna type top. Right. This is to check the CPU utilization and the processes that is running on my Metasploitable too. So look, in a few seconds, I'm gonna run this program. I'm gonna attack this. Okay, so as soon as I run this program, you will see that. All right, I'm gonna click enter. Pay attention carefully here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Boom, there we go. Now you can see that on my left hand panel. Now my DOS attack start. Okay, everything is suddenly on my Metasploitable machine has a lot of processes and activities, right? So this is how the DOS attack works. All right. So you can wait a little bit. Okay. My 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 Torshammer is still running right now, right? You can see more here, right? So now if I close this, let me see. I'm gonna close this one. Let me see. I'm gonna Control C. Notice that I'm shutting down there. So this is how Torshammer DOS attack works. Again, do not use this tool for illegal use because it's only for testing and for educational purpose only. So let me show you again. Python, right? I'm gonna run Python 2 torshammer.py dash target and then the IP address and then dash R, which is thread. How many thread? I'm gonna put 256. So let me run one more time so you can see that on my left hand panel here, my Metasploitable 2 will have a lot of activities. The CPU utilization will increase. Okay, so pay attention again. I want to do one more testing. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there we go. There we go. You see that on my left hand panel, suddenly the processing, everything is just under attack there. That's how the victim machine works. So I'm gonna cancel this. Okay, cancel. I'm gonna shut down the thread, and basically this is how to perform a DOS attack. All right, using a program called Torshammer. There are many other programs in the market. Okay, student can do more research about it to find any other one, like Loic. Loic, Loic is stand for. Let me see what is Loic stand for. Okay, this is quite popular too. Loic, Loic, uh, DOS, right? LOIC is stand for low orbit ion cadence. That's also quite popular. I will post this. I will put my documentation in the blackboard so student can have a chance to practice. All right. So thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day or evening. Hopefully that this video is informative and value to you. Bye.